Happy morning, guys. This is Dr. R. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the subject Theory of Computation. In that topic, minimization of CFG. Minimization of CFG, here we are implementing with the help of context-free grammar. Usually the context-free grammar is a formal grammar. We are going to implement the four kinds of tuples. That's none other than terminal symbols, non-terminal symbols, and then set of production rules, then start symbols. So with that, we are going to analyze here the minimization of CFG can effectively represents the variety of languages, because not all grammar is streamlined. Some grammars may contain superfluous symbols. Adding extra pointless symbols lengthens the grammar. The grammar that has been reduced by the removal of symbols, that is said to be the simpler. Below the some reduced characteristics of the grammars. See the how to reduce the grammars. With the help of these three kinds, we are going to process the minimization of context-free grammar. The reduced grammar, and then removal of useless symbols, and then elimination of sigma productions, and then removal of unit productions. Epsilon productions we are going to eliminate, that is also considered as reduced grammar. So these the three important thing we are remembered in order to remove the in order to reduce the minimize the context free grammar. Here we have the removal of useless symbols. So that's what we are implementing. The production of S, that gives the epsilon, that we used to call it as an epsilon production. And then these types of productions can only be removed from the some grammar that do not generate the epsilon. First step, first find out all nullable non-terminal variables. That's we're going to derive the epsilon. And then the step 2, for each and every production A, that gives the small a, constructs all the production capital A, that gives small a, where x is obtained from removing the one or more non-terminals from step 1. After that, we are going to combine the results of steps 2 with the original productions and then removing the epsilon productions. This kinds of steps we are going to follow in order to removal, as well as the useless symbols we are going to remove. That's the first step of minimizing the context free grammar. Here next thing is the elimination of unit productions, or else we used to call it as removing the unit productions. In that, we are going to remove the unit productions or productions in which one non-terminals gives another non-terminals. The following steps to remove the unit productions, here the removing the x gives the y, as well as adding the production x in order to grammar rules. Whenever y occur in the grammar, a occur in the grammar. The step 2, now we are going to start delete the whenever the x gives y from the grammar. The step 3 repeats the step 1 and 2 until all unit productions are removed. So the removing unit productions is also one of the important techniques among the minimizing the context free grammar. After that, the eliminations of the epsilon, that is also one of the important role in order to minimize the context free grammar. The context free grammar, here the process with the help of formal grammar rules, the tuples we are going to embed, the terminals as well as non-terminals, and then production set of rules. After that, the start symbols, the four tuples we are going to use in order to process the minimizations of context free grammar. Hope you all understand the concepts of removing, how to remove the unit productions as well as the useless symbols, how to remove. Based on the following the set of steps we are going to follow in order to remove the uh, unit productions as well as the removing the first the star removing the useless symbols. If suppose the unused symbols are there in the some set of production rules, we start removing that. So that we are going to process in step by step way. Finally we are going to minimize the context free grammar. Happy learning. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.